and someone watches that 30-minute video fully, that is from the start to the end, that means you have half a watch hour. Don't forget about that. And so if you are fortunate to get 2 people to watch that 1 hour video, that means you are going to have I mean 1 watch hour. Okay, so let's understand there's a difference between watch hour and views. So there are sometimes you can get a lot of views, but when you check the watch hour, you see the watch hour is very, very minimal, it's very, very small. Okay, that's why I'm trying to explain the watch hours to you. The views is just a matter of you. When someone clicks on a video and watches up to, let's say, up to 30 seconds, yes, up to 30 to 31 seconds and above, YouTube takes it as a view. Okay, so let's say I click on your video, I watch for about 1 minute, and then I stop watching the video. YouTube is going to add that one to the views of that particular video. So you're going to get 1 view. So let's say 10 people get your video, and then these 10 people watch your video for, let's say, let's say 1 minute. Okay, 1 minute. You are going to get, right? So do not let anyone deceive you. Right? So do not let anyone deceive you that your views are the same as your watch hours. No. Okay, so that is it. So the watch hours, finally, the number of hours someone stays on your video. And so if you are able to get, let's say, 10 people to watch your 1 hour video fully from the first second to the last second, that means you're going to have 10 watch hours. Don't forget, you're also going to have 10 views. Okay, so you're going to have 10 views and 10 watch hours. That means you've gotten 10 people to watch your video fully. That is if you are having an hour video. All right. So now, understanding the watch hours in this way, then we can proceed. So what you should have in mind is that if someone is having, let's say, a video that is 20 minutes, if your video is 20 minutes, that means you need, I think, about 5 people to watch that video fully before you can get 1 watch hour. So you need to put that in mind. Okay, so when one person watches that your 20-minute video, you are not up to even half a watch hour. You see, you need another person to watch that full video so you can get 40 minutes. Another person making 60 minutes. Another person making 8. That is the 60 minutes. Very good. So it's after that you're going to get your 1 solid hour. All right. So that is it in detail about the watch hours. And so if you post a video, publish a video, and then you see that you are having, let's say, 1,000 views, but when you go to your watch hour section, you can see sometimes you can even see, let's say, 5 watch hours, 10 watch hours, or something there about. That means people didn't take more time watching your video. All right. And so that is why we are going to dive into it. We are going to actually go into the details on how to get the watch hours, how to increase your watch hours. It's very, very important. And so let's actually understand this before we move forward. Okay, so there are certain tips that I'm going to dive into it. Some previous time ago, I actually dived into what to do to get your channel recognized on the social media platforms. Okay, so I'm sure if you've not watched that, please do take some time after this broadcast. You can actually get to the previous videos and watch that one. I'm sure you're actually going to enjoy that. Okay, so straight away, let us get into that. But please, let us try to share this particular video. The tips I'm going to get to you, they are going to benefit you a lot. And so let us also think about other people and then share this particular video so that other people can join us right now, so they can also have a first-hand information and have a feel of how the tutorial this very night is actually going to be. And please, wherever you find yourself watching now, you can let me hear from you at the comment section. Okay, at the live chat comment section. If the sound is clear, yes, please let me know. You put it in the comment section right now and let me know that the sound is clear. If you are getting the sound clearly at your side, I would want to hear from you right now. Okay, just type it at the comment section that the sound is clear. The sound is clear. The sound is clear, so that I get to know that we can proceed on that, because it's very, very important. If I continue to say all these and then at the end I get to find out that the sound is not working properly, it will be something else. And so please Let me hear from you at the comment section. It seems a lot of